Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x squared, you got about 2x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we have number 4 in here. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So we see that we have x plus 2 and x plus 2 in here. This one we change by u. X plus 2 dx we change by du over number 2. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c, that is about the constant. So now we can apply this one in here. So we have u to the power of 10 plus 1, so we have 11 over 11. About u, that is about this one. Number 2 with number 11, you got about 22. And then we put about c, that's about the constant. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.